ng kanilang presentation. Ang pagkukulang sa unang muna, kaya ang ilang sa mga pagpigil sana sa baha nasisira.
Hello everyone, I'm Jack Leonard. Today, I want to talk about certain topics, the pollution of our rivers and seas. So today, let's explore how trash affects our waterways, why it matters, and how we can help protect our environment. Every day, thousands of tons of trash enter our rivers and seas. About 80% of ocean pollution comes from land, and rivers act as a pathway that carry waste to the ocean. Some rivers transport up to 90% of the plastic found in the sea. This happens due to improper waste disposal, littering, and lack of recycling. Rivers that once supported life are now choking with trash. River and sea pollution has devastating effects on marine life. Animals like fish, turtles, dolphins, and seabirds often mistake plastic for food. A plastic bag can look like a jellyfish for a turtle, and the bottle caps also look like a food for birds. When animals eat plastic, it damages their stomach, organs, and can even kill them. Trash also releases harmful chemical into the water, affecting rivers, coral reefs, and aquatic plants. This problem doesn't only affect animals, it affects us too. Polluted rivers mean contaminated drinking water. Microplastics enter the fish meal, and eventually, it ends up inside our bodies. Polluted beaches hard to reason and locally connected. And when rivers are blocked by trash, floods become more severe and dangerous. The problem is big, but the solution starts with us. We can reduce the single-use plastics by bringing bottles, eco bags, and containers. Proper waste segregation helps reusable items get a second life. We can join cleanup drives, support recycling programs, and encourage others to do the same. Simple actions, when done consistently, protect our rivers and seas. Imagine rivers free of trash. Imagine oceans full of life instead of plastics. Imagine beaches safe and clean for everyone. This future is possible, but only if we act now. Our rivers and seas are a source of life. Let's protect them before it's too late. Thank you for watching. Let's work together